DIY gift wrap explained. Easy and creative ideas. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and practical topic: DIY gift wrap. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a special occasion, knowing how to wrap a gift creatively can add a personal touch to your presents. Let's dive in and learn about this crafty activity. Before we jump into gift wrapping, let's understand what DIY stands for. DIY means do-it-yourself. It's a term used for creating or repairing things by yourself, without the direct aid of experts or professionals. In our context, DIY gift wrap refers to wrapping gifts using materials and techniques that you can do at home, often with a unique and personal touch. To start your DIY gift wrapping, you'll need some basic materials. These include wrapping paper. You can choose from a variety of colors and patterns. Scissors, for cutting the paper to the right size. Tape, to secure the wrapping paper in place. Ribbons and bows, for decoration. Gift tags, for adding a personalized message. Remember, you can also get creative with materials like old newspapers, fabric pieces, or even hand-painted designs. Now, let's go through the basic steps of gift wrapping. 1. Measure and cut the wrapping paper. Ensure it's enough to cover the entire gift. 2. Fold and secure with tape. Neatly cover the gift and use tape to hold the paper in place. 3. Add decorations. Use ribbons, bows, and tags to decorate your gift. To make your gift stand out, try these creative ideas. Use themed wrapping paper. Choose paper that matches the occasion. Add personal touches. Use photos, drawings, or write personal messages. Experiment with shapes. Not all gifts are boxes. Try wrapping cylindrical or regularly shaped items. That's all for today's lesson on DIY gift wrapping. I hope you found these tips helpful and are inspired to try out your own creative wrapping ideas. Remember, the most important part is to have fun and add your personal touch. Happy wrapping, and see you in our next video.